Hello guys, how are you? I am arrived at Panbazar. I am going to talk about the history of Guwahati. Whenever you go to history and you have to mention about this school, look at this. Look at this behind to me. This is Cotton Collegiate Government Higher Secondary School. This school was established in the year of 1834. In that period, Assam was ruling by the Ahom Kingdom. Ahom King, the last king of Ahom Kingdom, his name was Purandar Singha. His ruling period was 1818 to 1838, and you can see this school is established in between 1834. That's why I am talking about this school. This school is father of the all school, the master of all master. The Britishers came to the Assam. Actually, not came to the Assam. Somebody going to invite Britishers. I am forget that person name. He was going to Kolkata and invite Britishers to Assam. The Britishers came to Assam and signed up a treaty agreement. That agreement name was Yandabu Treaty. This is one kind of sign, one kind of agreement in between British and Ahom King Purandar Singha. You can say it was a two-party agreement. What was the written in agreement? Actually, the British and Purandar Singha, the last king of Ahom Kingdom, they are working jointly in Assam at that period. Why they are jointly working at that period? Because Britishers are known very well. They need requirement of the local support. Without local people support, they cannot do anything at this location. You have to know the Purandar Singha helped to British for the establishment of this school. And why establish this school by British in Assam? Because British have massive requirement of educated labor. They need so many labor who can write, who can speak English, who can do some mathematics for the purpose of doing business in Assam. That's why they needed educated labor. That's why they established this school at Panbazar for teaching local people, for teaching Assamese people. But that time nobody teach teaching to Assamese people by local people, because no one know the letter of English A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is the 26 letter of English. But nobody know. Nothing is. No one speak this letter. No knowledge of English. So they are appointed Bengali teacher to teaching the Assamese people English. That's why the Bengali Manus, Bengali teacher appointed at this school for teaching the English, teaching mathematics, teaching science to Assamese people. That's why I want to give a lots of thanks to Bengali Manus, Bengali people. They are teach us English. They teach us Assamese people. Bengali people are teaching English to Assamese people. The first appointed teacher was the Bengali Manus. They are very brilliant in that period, because they are going to study in London. From London, they came to Kolkata, and Britishers bring to the Assam for teaching English for Assamese people. I am a Assamese people. All Assamese people have to know about this. Do respect for Bengali people, Bengali Manus. They was the first teacher of Assamese people. Look at the scenario of this school. I have to know more and more about this school, and I want to talk about the authority of this school, the office. I want to talk about this school teacher, the management committee. I want to talk with management committee. I have to know more and more about this school. Stay tuned to my YouTube channel, like and share and subscribe. Whenever you have to know about the history of Guwahati, you must needed to know about this school. Okay, thank you, goodbye.